guys, VSVs again, and I'm just here to show you a little. I'm here to show you a little NBA Live pack opening. I've been looking for the awards winner, coach, most improved player, and crap, getting the other one. Dang it. Check anyway. Dang, I can't remember. Here, we'll see. We will see. See if it loads. Okay, let me see what I need. It's gonna be slow, so bear with me. Weekly events and supposed to. Yep. ISS completed a awards winner round. Got 7 items from there, I think 7 or 6. Dang. Okay. So, open one. See if I get it. Nope, Finals MVP. This one. What I get? Yep, nope, didn't get it. Here you go. 4 more. Rookie, nope, didn't get it either. Come on. We can clutch it. Oh, got a coach. Got the coach. Yeah, we did. We got the coach. Let's see what else we get. What did I get? Oh, well. Coach. 2 coaches. Okay. Only need 1. First sets. Weekly events. Go down to here and put the coach in. Okay. Wow. Didn't even need it. Also, I might put my team all 80s now. I have 11,000, so I need to change my 2-way small forward or my small ball power forward. So let's see what we can get for 11,000. Let's see what 2-way small forward first. Save 2-way. Oh shit. 2-way minimum. Shit. Minimum 80. Price of 11,000. Save. See what we. Oh, nothing found. Oh well. See what we can get for a power forward, small ball. Nope, nothing found. That sucks. Basically, yeah, the whole point of this video is that opening, and we got 1 thing out of 3 we needed. Actually, I want to see if we can get another small ball point guard over 80. Cause my small ball point guard kind of sucks. Jackson. Ooh, Rajon Rondo, 10,000. That's it. See what we can do for it. See what we can get. Ooh. Nah, not worth it. Oh. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, like, subscribe. I'll be uploading more often now. Tell your friends about me via his feeds.